Since opening its doors in 1991, the Carnegie Science Center has exposed and enriched the world of scientific discovery for visitors of all ages. It's an ever-changing experiment that excites the senses and opens the mind to new possibilities. It's a place where thousands of stars perform daily, where questions are answered and new questions asked, and where hands-on exhibits provide endless opportunities for exploration and wonder. Science has never been this fun. The Works showcases the high adventure of high technology through a live theatrical presentation featuring lasers, molten metal, and real lightning. The world's only robot-controlled science spectacular examines how energy, matter, and information have been discovered through science and applied to industry through technological innovation. But this is only part of the action inside the multi-purpose facility.
Look up here.
And here. And here.
Hey, over here too.
The Works' special exhibits and demonstrations provide up-close examinations of robots, electricity, and the science of fast-freeze cryogenics. Sit back and step into the big picture of sight and sound that makes you feel like you're part of the action. The Rango's Omnimax Theater engulfs its audience in images projected on a 79-foot domed screen.
It was totally cool. It was awesome. You learned everything from it. It was far out.
It was really good. It was very lifelike.
I particularly enjoyed learning in a thrilling manner like this. The science and geography and history just come alive for you.
Oh, it was so educational. I'm so glad my daughter got to see it. I'm sure we're going to be back to the Science Center many times because there's so much to see here, and the theater was really great.
It's an experience like you've never had before as you're swept into the height of film and sound technology. The Pacific Coral Reef Aquarium, Early Learners Landing, and Science Pier in the Ports of Discovery are a young scientist's dream. Adults too will be inspired by the interactive activities that pique imaginations and encourage exploration. The hands-on learning continues in Science Way, a walk through the natural wonders of the world around us. Explorers step into a neighborhood of common objects to observe scientific principles. The revolutionary Henry Buell Jr. Planetarium and Observatory offers a 3D adventure to travel between galaxies and visit planets in an instant. Inside the world's most technologically sophisticated interactive planetarium, you can conduct your own journey to the stars. Back to Earth and under the sea, USS Raekwon brings visitors yet another perspective on technology. Discover how a World War II submarine operated and what life was like while submerged hundreds of feet underwater. On board Raekwon, you'll feel like a part of the crew as you explore the sub's equipment and living areas. How can I be healthier? What are the latest theories on exercise? What's the scientific theory behind the latest diet? Questions answered through multimedia programs and panel discussions in the Blue Cross Health Science Theater. Expert staff add to the presentations and involve you in the learning and the fun. Western Pennsylvania in the 1920s comes back to life at the Great Miniature Railroad and Village. The various means of land and water transportation are highlighted through a unique network of train tracks and river systems. The sprawling display links together rural and urban scenes, including working coal mines and steel mills. Myths and misunderstandings about food and the way our bodies use it are explored in the eating exhibit. A live demonstration highlights the chemistry of the kitchen and always concludes with a tasty result. Discover how food gets to your table from all over the world. Then take a trip through a mechanized model of the digestive system. There's always something new at the Carnegie Science Center. Traveling exhibits, new programs, and an atmosphere of fun create a unique environment. And that environment can be adapted to meet the special needs of your group or organization. Whether those needs require an elegant backdrop for a corporate meeting or an intimate setting for a small gathering. Your visit can be enhanced by browsing through the gift shop. These science-related items will help bring the world of science home. Group organizers can find souvenirs and gift ideas for their members. The Riverview Cafe offers a special treat from the menu and the view. Meals can be catered to your group's needs or serve to highlight the setting of your special event. Science is fun at the Carnegie Science Center. Come be part of a unique adventure on Pittsburgh's shores. A place where entertainment and education fuse to become an exciting experience. This is no ordinary amusement park.